gonna read that then so I can tell her. Okay, Sarah, go read them something. Okay, you wanna read? Okay, guide us, Sarah.
They need to see what it's called. Make it. Make his own vacuum.
Okay, let me see, Sarah.
I want to read the instructions, Dad.
Okay, let's see.
Let me read the instructions.
Okay, one, read. Okay, give me the big one. No. Yeah, the red one. Red.
That one.
Red one. Yeah, that one. Okay, tell the screws. Give me the screwdriver. You know where the screwdriver is?
Mommy does. I will
Take
sit
it.
there.
Take it. Yes, better. Okay, let me put the two screws. Yeah, let me try.
The vacuum arm?
Yes.
Hey, I really want to touch the tongue. How do we spell sail?
Who?
How do we spell sail?
Cell?
Sail.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, then. Pull up. Good job, Good job, good job. And then put this one inside here. Like this. Okay. Good job. And then put right here. You see? Good. Like that. Good. Let's see.
So there you go, guys. This vacuum picked up a significant amount of dirt. The previous one that we had was actually by the same company, but it was barely picking up any dirt. I think it was beginning to break down slowly. So this is the replacement, and I think it did a really great job. So hopefully it will last us a while. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.